Hi there, today we are in our Wix website and today we're going to learn how to add rounded corners to an image. So for example, we'll just scroll down to an image that we want to have a rounded corner, for example this one. And then once you have clicked the image, just click on design. And then if you want to choose some different frames, you can do so right here. You can also choose some circle frames if you want. But for this video, we'll stick with a square frame. Square frame right here. Let's just choose no frame. And then click on the customize design button. And then click on this template right here with a round corner. And then once you have clicked that, just click on the corners button. And then there we will have an option to change the radius of our image. So you can just change this to a higher value. For example, I'll change this into 20 pixels, and there we already have the rounded corner effect in our image. If you want to make the rounded corners more emphasized, again, just go to design, customize design, again, change the border, change the corners. And then if I change this into a higher value, for example 50 pixels, and there we have the rounded corners of our image more pronounced. You can change some other options right here. So for example, you want to apply a shadow, you can then change the angle and then change the distance, and then there we have our shadow right there on the left side. You want to change the angle of the shadow again, just change this one like that. And then for the border, if you want to have a border around your image, you can do so as well. Like here, we see a white border on our image. For example, we change this into a black color, and then there we have the black border around the image. So you can do this with the other options as well, as long as the option corners is present. For example, if I change the radius of the corners right here, again, you can apply the rounded corners again for the image. And that is all possible with all of the templates right here, as long as it has the corners option. For the other frames, they don't have the corners option, so you can't really change the value of the rounded corners. But most of the designs right here have the corners option. So again, just change the value of the radius, and then there you will have your rounded corners of an image. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to add rounded corners, and it's a very fast video and a very easy customization tool to have in your Wix website. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.